Question 1. Lipids are primarily characterized by being A. Water-soluble, B. Insoluble in water, C. Highly polar, D. Ionic compounds. The correct option here is what? Insoluble in water. Lipids are made up of fats and oil. Do not forget that. So the correct option here is B. The building blocks of triglycerides are A. Amino acids, B. Nucleotides, C. Glycerol and fatty acid, D. Monosaccharides. The correct option here is what? Is glycerol and fatty acid. Another name for glycerol is propan 1, 2, 3, triol. Great. So number 3, a triglyceride consists of A. 1 fatty acid plus 1 glycerol, 2 fatty acids plus 1 glycerol, C. 3 fatty acids plus glycerol, D. 4 fatty acids plus glycerol. Now since you hear triglyceride, so it simply means it's what? 3 fatty acids plus what? 1 glycerol. That's the correct answer. Number 4, fatty acids with no double bond are called. Any fatty acid that you see that do not have double bond. Any fatty acid that you see that do not have double bond are A. Unsaturated, B. Polyunsaturated, C. Saturated, D. Essential. The correct option here is C. They are saturated fatty acids. Number 5, fatty acids with one double bond are called A. Saturated. It can never be saturated again because those with no double bond are called saturated. Now, those with one double bond are called monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, or trans fat. It is what? Monounsaturated. One bond is what? Monounsaturated. Which of the following is an essential fatty acid? A. Palmitic acid, B. Stearic acid, C. Linoleic acid, D. Oleic acid. The correct option here is what? Is linoleic acid. Linoleic acid is what? An essential fatty acid. If you've not watched my video on lipid biochemistry, it will be linked in the description below so that you understand some of these terms. Number 7, phospholipids are major components of A. DNA, B. Cell membrane, C. Enzyme, D. Hormones. The correct option here is what? Is cell membrane. Phospholipids are major components of what? Of cell membrane. You know what cell membranes are? Good. So number 8, the hydrophilic part of a phospholipid is A. Fatty acid tail, B. Glycerol backbone, C. Phosphate group, D. Hydrocarbon chain. The correct option here is what? Is phosphate group. Now, in the phospholipid, it is a bilayer that contains a hydrophilic part and the hydrophobic part. The hydrophilic part is the part that loves water. The hydrophobic part is the part that do not love water. So since it's hydrophilic, which of the part is hydrophilic here? It is the what? The phosphate backbone. Are we together now? Now the hydrophobic is the fatty acid. Are we there now? Fatty acid tail. Because in that particular part now, it is made up of what? It is made up of lipid. And lipid has what? They are hydrophobic. They do not like water. Are we there now? That's why we say that, lipid are not water soluble, right? Cholesterol is classified as a fatty acid, B. Steroid, C. Triglyceride, D. Phospholipid. Cholesterol is classified as what? As a steroid. Which lipoprotein is known as bad cholesterol? Which lipoprotein is known as bad cholesterol? When the doctor is telling you that you have bad cholesterol, which lipoprotein is that? Is it HDL? Is it LDL? What is HDL? HDL simply means high density lipoprotein. LDL means low density lipoprotein. VLDL, very low density lipoprotein, chylomicrons. The correct option here is what? Is LDL, low density lipoprotein. It is what? Bad cholesterol. Now, in this video, we are answering questions on biomolecule. This is the first one, which is the lipid biomolecules. So we'll answer questions on carbohydrate biomolecule, protein biomolecule, and then also on nucleic acids biomolecule. So I want you to stick to this video, watch to the end. This is the easiest part. In the next part of this particular lipid, it will be a bit intermediate, and then we'll move on to the advanced part where we'll be answering questions and answering questions. So at the end of this video, I want you to tell me how many you score. So stick to the end. Question 11, you get to see more interesting questions. Which lipoprotein is known as good cholesterol? Now, we've understood the one that is bad cholesterol. Is it LDL, low density lipoprotein? Is it HDL, high density lipoprotein? Is it very low density lipoprotein? Or is it intermediate density lipoprotein? The correct option here is what? Is B, high density lipoproteins. 12. Beta-oxidation occurs in the A, cytoplasm, B, nucleus, C, mitochondria, D, ribosome. It occurs in the what? In the mitochondria. Option C, beta-oxidation. Number 13. The end product of beta-oxidation is A. Glucose, B. Acetyl-CoA, C. Pyruvate, D. Lactate. The end product of beta-oxidation is what? Acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA. Ketone bodies are produced in the A. Brain, B. Liver, C. Kidney, D. Muscle. Ketone bodies are produced in the what? In the liver of the body. Ketone bodies. You use ketone bodies during your prolonged fasting. Are we there? And that's when you try to use ketone body for energy sustenance. Question 15. Which of the following is a ketone body? Is it glucose? Is it acetoacetate? Is it pyruvate? Is it citrate? Acetoacetate is what? Is a ketone body. With an acetoacetate. Lipids provide how many kilocal per gram? Is it 4? Is it 7? Is it 9? Is it 12? Lipids provide 9 kilocal of energy per gram as opposed to proteins and carbohydrates, which provides what? 4 kilocal per gram. Saponification involves A. Formation of proteins. B. Breakdown of fat into soup and glycerol. C. Oxidation of lipids. D. Formation of cholesterol. Breakdown of fats into soup and glycerol. So when you hear about saponification, you don't just say it's the formation of soup. Rather, as a biochemist, it says the breakdown of fats to form what? Soup and glycerol. Biochemists. Which vitamin is fat soluble? Is it vitamin B? Is it vitamin C? Is it vitamin A? Is it vitamin B12? We're talking about fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamins that are soluble in fat and insoluble in water. There are 4 of them. You can remember them with the acronym ADEK, A-D-E-K. So we have vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So option C is the correct answer. Number 19. Waxes are formed from, is it glycerol plus fatty acids? Is it fatty acid plus long chain alcohols? Is it amino acids? Is it sugars? Waxes are formed from what? Fatty acids plus long chain alcohols. That's why we form what? Our waxes. 20. The main function of lipid in the body is A. Genetic storage? No. Immediate energy only? No. Long-term energy storage? Exactly. Enzyme catalysis. Correct option here is what? Is long-term energy storage. That is the main function of lipids in the body. That's why they have what? They store 9 kilocal of energy per gram. So thank you for watching this video. I want you to let me know in the comment section what is actually your score. Did you score up to 15? Did you score 3? Did you score 5? Did you score 20 over 20? Let me know in the comment section. You never can tell, I might have a prize for you. So do well to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.